Assalamualaikum. You are watching Dignity Trust Commitment Present BCN Top News. This is Kajirmaya Mrinmoy and I'm with you all the time. In the last 24 hours, 25 more people have died of coronavirus in the country. The total number of deaths due to the virus is 12,401. At this time, 1,441 people have been identified newly. The total number of identifiers increased to 7,90,521 people. The government has allowed long-distance buses to operate after a long hiatus and ongoing restrictions. The buses are running on different routes in compliance with the hygiene rules. People who could not go to the village on Eid as a long-distance bus was stopped were seen leaving for home today. Satisfaction has also been seen among the passengers and transport sector concerned with the introduction of buses. Foreign Minister A.K. Abdul Monem has expressed deep grief and sorrow over the death of Jilur Rahman Khan, professor of political science in the United States. Monday, May 24, in a condolence message, Monem said, "My closeness with Jilur Rahman Khan was developed through writing and in various professional conferences. Although there were many differences in our analysis, he was always appreciative and amiable." The severity of the second wave of coronavirus is increasing day by day. The only way to prevent the spread of the virus is to get vaccinated against the coronavirus. Awami League General Secretary and Road Transport and Bridges Minister Obaidul Qadir has vaccinated in the second dose of corona vaccine. He received the second dose of corona vaccine at Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Medical University in the capital on Monday, May 24. The situation in the country is getting worse and worse. No country can handle the second wave of coronavirus. Our country is also in a difficult situation. A 7-day special lockdown has been announced in Chapanababganj due to the increase of corona infection. Chapanababganj Deputy Commissioner Manjurul Hafiz confirmed the information at a press conference on Monday, May 24. The Deputy Commissioner said the lockdown will start at 12 noon on Monday. After a long hiatus of about 2 months due to the lockdown, the passenger and naval routes of Borishal have started operating. Although the fare did not increase, the number of passengers was very low. The launch started operating on the domestic route from 5 a.m. on Monday, May 24. The launch of Dhaka-Borishal route will start after 8:30 p.m. However, the double service Green Line 2 has left Dhaka for Borishal. The Board of Directors of Standard Insurance, a listed company in the insurance sector, has released its unaudited financial report for the first quarter of the current financial year, January to March 2021. The company's earnings per share (EPS) has risen according to the report. Dhaka Stock Exchange (DSE) source says on Monday, the company's earnings per share (EPS) in the first quarter was 0.6. Myanmar leader Aung San Suu Kyi, who was arrested after a military coup, has been brought to the court in person for the first time. According to a report by Channel News Asia on Monday, May 24, Suu Kyi's lawyer Thai Mong Mong said Suu Kyi looked healthy when she appeared in the court in Naypyidaw on Monday. Suu Kyi had a half-hour meeting with her lawyers before the hearing. Mahia Mahi is a popular actress in Dhaka films. In 2016, she got married to Mahmoud Parvez Oppu. After 5 long years, their married life has taken a turn for the worse. They have decided to divorce, although they have not yet been legally separated, but the legal process will begin very soon. Oppu Mahira's divorce is now the talk of the town. At this time, Mahira's husband has given a long status on Facebook about the divorce. Luis Enrique has always made one thing clear to his players. In order to get a place in the Euro Championship Spain team, its players have to be in the best form. For this reason, Sergio Ramos is not playing in this event. Enrique announced the squad for the Euros on Monday, May 24. There is no centre-back to win 2 consecutive Euros in 2008 and 2012. The Real Madrid captain has played only 5 matches this year for a knee injury. Viewers, you have been listening to BCN Top News. For more details, please visit our website www.bcnchannel.net.
Stay tuned with PCN channel to get daily updates.